Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 6 beginner spins on aerial silks. If you're new to the channel, my name's Brendan, I'm a physio based in Australia, and on this channel we cover all things aerial related. I'll leave timestamps and links for all of these tutorials in the description down below. Alright, let's get started, and remember, you've got this. If you guys are enjoying this spin overview, support the channel by clicking the like button. And if you want to see more aerial videos, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so you're notified every time I upload. If you enjoyed this spin compilation and you want to learn exactly how to do them, you can click the link in the bottom right corner for detailed tutorials. Or if you want to get your heart racing with some big drops, then click the link on the left. As always, stay safe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!